Hey, how's it going everyone? I am Arpan and you're watching Interest Tech. Consumer Electronics Show CES 2018 has come to an end. But how could I really let it go without sharing some of the best of technology with you guys? So get into the seats of artificial intelligence and watch this video till the end cause you'll be loving it with a bit of surprise for you guys at the end as well.
Okay, Aibo, I will be showing you as well.
When there's no way to catch a fall, frequent song.
Lenovo Smart Display is one of the few Google Assistant powered smart displays at CES 2018. The smart display uses Google Assistant powered by Android Things to do everything your Google Home can do, but with the addition of a gorgeous display that gives you visual information. It has an additional 5 megapixel camera and can be controlled by your voice or touch, and brings all the convenience and utility of the Google Assistant to a device that isn't tethered to your smartphone. We already knew underglass fingerprint sensors would be coming in 2018, but kicking off the year with the very first device to feature a functioning in-display sensor was really a treat. Vivo's unnamed phone will be out a little later this year, but the Synaptics FS9500 Clear ID sensor is already available for inclusion in a variety of devices with OLED panels in the near future. The wafer-thin optical sensor sits between the display glass and the OLED panel and peeks through the pixels to register your print. For this reason, it does not work on backlit LCD panels, but it boards well on the near backlit glass of OLED displays, which are increasingly becoming the norm. Project Linda imagines a world where your smartphone powers your laptop. Why on earth would you need that? As our smartphones get more powerful, fewer and fewer people need a larger computer. Still, a full keyboard and bigger screen can be helpful sometimes, which is why Razer is trying to combine the two devices into a seamless product. Slide the Razer phone into the trackpad area of customized Razer Blade Stealth and it automatically starts powering the laptop. This allows you to do everything you would normally be doing on your smartphone, but with a bigger screen. The company says it wants the final chassis to feature a 1400p with 120Hz touchscreen display. This means you would be able to interact with your laptop just like a phone. Sure, it's a concept right now, but it's a really cool concept. For me, the best and probably the cutest tech at CES was the Aibo. Aibo is outfitted with a new artificial intelligence capacities such as developing its own personality over time. It has facial recognition, so it can detect different members of your family and can tell people apart from an object like a bone. If someone in your house pets Aibo the most, it will interact with them the most. The main camera is located in the nose and it has touch sensors on the top of its head, chin and back. Sony also says its movements are more dog-like and realistic. For example, it head shakes and it can do high fives. It can do fun tricks like find a ball or a bone, lay down. For now, Aibo understands English and Japanese, but more languages are coming soon. LG is known for its cutting-edge display technology, and in 2018 things are heating up even more with the announcement of Rollable OLED. The LG Rollable OLED display is a 65-inch 4K beauty that simply rolls up and into its stand when you are not using it. The prototype device isn't quite ready for production, but it's a wonderful proof of concept and certainly has us excited. The Rollable OLED works thanks to a spindle within the TV's stand that gradually and silently unfurls the flexible OLED inside in and about 12 seconds. According to LG, the TV can be uncurled and rolled up again 50,000 times in a lifetime. Well, LG wasn't the only one showing off epic display technology. Samsung's The Wall is a 146-inch television with some pretty cutting-edge tech underneath. First, it's modular. As Samsung puts it, users can add or remove modules to make the TV bigger or smaller in any configuration, removing previous limitations on screen size with zero impact on performance of the display. The even bigger news is that Samsung's wall uses a tech called micro LED. Unlike the traditional LED TVs, micro LED uses an array of millions of tiny LEDs that come together to create an image. Since each LED can turn on and off, you essentially have an infinite contrast just like an OLED TV. In other words, Samsung is upping its game in order to take LG's OLED tech in a big way. Like LG's rollable display, it's still a prototype at this stage, but at a global launch is expected at the spring of 2018.
I hope you liked all of the 5 technologies. Which one was your favorite? Don't forget to let me know in the comments box down below. And I have thought something of appreciating your comments more in my video. After every video, I'll be featuring one best comment at the end of the video. And to make it to the featured comment, it's really simple. Just subscribe to this channel, press the bell icon and just type in anything you want. Just make sure you don't use any vulgar language. And the featured comment will look something just like this.